A day after filing her nomination papers for South Kashmir constituency, PDP President Mehbooba Mufti held a press conference in Srinagar and PDP released its manifesto. Now, it's a very short document. It is a 4-page document and the heading goes, Apna Vote Apno Ke Liye. Now, in this, PDP has touched basically two aspects. One is the situation aspect, where it's once again targeted the government for what has been happening since Article 370 abrogation. The fact that the PDP is alleging that youth from the Kashmir Valley, there is an arrest spree. They have been arrested and they are languishing in various jails of the country. To add to that, PDP is again touching the much hyped healing touch policy, saying that if it's brought to power or if its representative is taken to the Lok Sabha, he will speak about the issues faced by the people. They will also really speak about the roads that need to be open, the dialogue process that needs to be restarted between India and Pakistan. And then if you move away from this, there is the development as to this manifesto, where PDP is again talking about the Sadak Bijli Pani, talking about the sensitive power project issue which everyone feels about here, that the resources of Jammu and Kashmir have been taken away by the NHPC. The power generation, whatever, is in fact, it is in hundreds of megawatts. It is being taken by the Northern Grid, and peanuts are being offered to Jammu and Kashmir. So it's basically a manifesto which it seems has been made in a hurry, but again, it is not surprising because it has clearly those aspects which PDP has been talking about since its inception, that there should be a healing touch for the people of Jammu and Kashmir because they suffered because of the situation, and then the dialogue process needs to be restarted. Pakistan needs to be engaged, and on the developmental side, Sadak Bijli Pani, and then also they are directly again targeting the Modi government and the Lieutenant Governor's government in this manifesto also, that last 5 years have been nothing but full of developmental deficit, and people have been suffering ever since Article 370 has been abrogated in 2019. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.